Hello friends. In March we recently traveled from Frankfurt to India under Vande Bharat mission, and this video is basically about sharing our experiences and the procedures we followed to reach our destination. I hope this will be useful for all who want to travel in future. And the steps for the journey in nutshell, where we booked the flight tickets ahead from the airline. We got an RT-PCR test done prior to the departure, and once we got the corona negative certificate, we uploaded them to the New Delhi airport website along with the self-declaration form and the passport copy. We took 2 hard copies of the filled in self-declaration form and the corona negative certificate during check-in to the Frankfurt airport, and once the immigration and security check were completed, we boarded the flight to Delhi. At Delhi we have to do again an RT-PCR test done, but we don't need to wait for the test result. We can directly go to the immigration counter at Delhi, collect your baggage, and unfortunately for us the through check-in till Trivandrum was not possible, so we have to get the baggage, and again we had to go to the domestic flight area, drop the check-in baggage there. And after the security check, we boarded the flight to our final destination, Trivandrum. Once we reached Trivandrum, we had to show the self-declaration form and corona negative certificate copies, get address and phone numbers noted down, and then we headed directly to home for quarantine. Now let's discuss in detail. So the first step was that we got the flight tickets booked in advance directly from the Air India website. And the next step was that 72 hours before our departure, we got an RT-PCR test done. We got a result after 7 or 8 hours, and as soon as we got this corona negative certificate, we went to the New Delhi airport website, and then there we filled in the self-declaration form. And while you fill the self-declaration form, you have to also upload the corona negative certificate and also your passport copy. It's very important because without corona negative certificate it's impossible to travel. So please get your corona negative certificate copies. Make 2 or 3 copies for your corona negative certificate. Go to the New Delhi airport link which I am showing here. Please fill in the self-declaration form. It is very easy, and here you can also upload both your corona negative certificate and also your passport copy. And as soon as you submit, so this you can do for all your family members in one page itself. Now as soon as you submit, you will receive a soft copy PDF via email. In the email you will see that there is a PDF attached. Please take copies of this PDF. This is your self-declaration form, and also there is a link to a RT-PCR test booking. Getting RT-PCR test at Delhi is mandatory, so you can also book a slot here, or you can directly get it done in Delhi by paying cash or by card. So after doing all the procedures at the Frankfurt airport, we have to mandatorily show the corona negative certificate copy. So please make sure that you have hard copies of the corona negative certificate and also the self-declaration forms. This is very important. Hard copies are a must, not soft copies are not accepted. So please make sure that you have hard copies, and after your immigration and security check, you can directly board the flight. In the flight they will provide face shield and mask, so please make sure that you wear it all the time. And the person who was sitting in the middle seat was supposed to wear the PPE kit for their safety. This will be also provided, so please make sure that you wear the PPE kit at the middle seats. It was quite strictly enforced. The Air India cabin crew were really nice, and they helped a lot, and there is no stress while traveling. And during your dinner or lunch time, you are allowed to remove your mask, and then you have to put the mask again once your dinner or lunch or breakfast is done. And queuing was not allowed in the toilet area. Only one person was allowed. So, and as soon as we landed in the Delhi International Airport after 7 or 8 hours, we were guided directly to do our RT-PCR test. So in the Delhi International Airport, there are people to guide you, so you don't need to really be stressed. They will tell you what to do. So you can directly go to the counter, get your RT-PCR test, and if you're already booked in advance, you can show them the booking and they will get the testing done. And for us who are coming from Germany, we don't need to wait for the RT-PCR test result. It will be mailed after 4 or 5 hours to your email, but you can directly go next to the immigration counter, get the immigration check done, collect the baggage, because for us through check-in till Trivandrum was not possible, so we have to collect the baggage. We had to get the customs check done, and once this was completed, we again went to the domestic flights terminal, again checked in our baggage, but check-in was pretty easy because it was in one ticket. So you have to just drop the bag there, get the security check done, and then we boarded our flight to Trivandrum. In the flight to Trivandrum also the same rules apply. The mask all the time, only during eating masks are not allowed. Sorry, the mask you can remove, but all the other cases you have to mandatorily wear mask. Or crowding is not allowed, but the cabin crew is very helpful, and it's not stressful. It's like a normal travel. The only thing that you have a mask. And once we reached Trivandrum airport, we had to show them the corona negative test copy and also the self-declaration copy. So please keep at least 2 hard copies of self-declaration forms. Doesn't matter is it Trivandrum or any other domestic airport in India. I think the procedures are the same. So please show the copies. There in Trivandrum, they noted down our address and phone numbers, and they instructed us that we have to be 7 days home quarantine, and on the 8th day we can get a test done, and if it is negative we can come out of quarantine. And 7 further days of non-mandatory quarantine is also there. So please check your respective state government rules about quarantine. So as soon as you reach your domestic terminal, get your baggage, you can go home either in your private vehicle or hire a taxi, but important is that you go directly to home, no stopovers in between, and then you enjoy your home quarantine. So I hope this information will be helpful for all those who plan to travel in near future. Please check the rules from the Indian government, because they change every now and then. So these rules came into effect from 22nd February. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments link. And thank you very much for watching this video, and please forward them to your friends who are planning to travel. Thank you very much, and bye.